Want a faster, more familiar way to move around Windows? In this guide, I'll show you how to use OpenShell to improve your Start menu, search, and everyday navigation. First, open the Start menu, search for OpenShell menu settings, and launch it. If you see a settings window with several tabs, yeah, you're in the right place. On the Start menu style tab, choose the layout you prefer. You can pick Classic style, Classic with 2 columns, or Windows 7 style. For most people, the Windows 7 option feels familiar and gives you quick access to apps and folders. Next, open the Customize Start menu tab. Here you can add useful shortcuts like Control Panel, Downloads, Documents, Settings, or Run. Just find an item, choose how you want it displayed, and OpenShell adds it to your menu. Now click the Search Box tab. Make sure the search box is enabled so you can search for apps, files, and settings directly from the Start menu. This is handy because you can type a few letters and open what you need without digging through folders. Then, open the General Behavior tab. This is where you can choose what happens when you click the Start button, press the Windows key, or use keyboard shortcuts. Small changes here can make Windows feel much quicker to use. Once you're done, click OK and test your new menu. Try opening your favorite apps, searching for a file, and using the shortcuts you added. If something feels crowded, just return to the settings and remove anything you don't use, and that's it. OpenShell can make Windows navigation feel simpler, faster, and more personal, so take a minute to adjust it until it fits the way you work.